Hello, Namaste dost. Today I'm gonna show you how to install TikTok Studio. From each and every country we can easily download. It is banned in Nepal, but I'm going to show you how to install that one. So you can see in my phone there's TikTok Studio. I have installed it. So I am gonna show you how to open that one. You can easily show in Play Store. When I write TikTok Studio, then looking for TikTok Studio, this app isn't available on Google Play Store in your region. You can see here it is not available in our region. So don't worry, I will show you how to download this one. So for this one, we need to open Chrome. Then after search Aptoid, Aptoide, and then after download Aptoid download. Then after you can search that one. Is the second one you have to write is a website of that one, so you don't need to click on that one. The first one Aptoid APK download for Android. You need to press on that one link. Then after I have already installed that one app, so I didn't need to install it, and so it is saying to me open. So due to this one, I didn't need to install because I have already installed. I can directly open from there. Otherwise, I can also open from the my application. So I am open this one app, and so I am opening this one app. I will back on that one. Then after we can search here in a search bar. Here is search. We can search here TikTok, TikTok. Then after Studio, TikTok Studio, and then after you can see here the second link TikTok Studio. So we will press on TikTok Studio. I have this one already installed. So this is showing there open. So I didn't need to install. When I want that one, then it was so downloaded. So you can see here TikTok Studio is already installed here. So I am gonna show you, and you can see here lots of the future in TikTok Studio. There's a like monetization. Monetize means you can how much you earn from your all video, and you can also get a tips from this one like a YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, when you uploaded any video, then it's give a most popular keyword, no, and then after we can easily search this type of thing like traffic sources for your personal and search query. Most of the people search my video by this name like subash Kushwaha Sagarmatha Mountain View. These are the high rated key for my YouTube Studio. So we can copy paste and we can paste in all video. Otherwise we can make on video on this content. So this is real bit chances to increase the analytics high in TikTok. So you can search your viewer, each and everything you can so see here easily. And this app is banned in Nepal, but you can install it easily. So this app is also for that thing like those application which is banned in Nepal. Otherwise, it's banned in someone country. Then you can easily get on that one. So it's a very helpful apps. You can easily install and download it, and you can get benefit of the app that is banned in your country. Thank you for watching our video.